Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, XRP is about to blast into the stratosphere. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? Guys, some major big time deals are happening in this space right now that have the potential to literally catapult XRP into the stratosphere. Now, most of you probably remember back in the spring there how Ripple had come out and said, listen, we're ready and we're prepared to use our $1 billion in cash war chest to go out there and make some big time strategic acquisitions. Well, guys, just check this one out right down here. Just in, Ripple announces its latest acquisition. Blockchain payments firm Ripple Labs has announced the acquisition of Fortress Trust within the Fortress IO group. And guys, Fortress Trust is absolutely massive. Wait until you see what I have to show you. American blockchain payments firm Ripple Labs Inc. has announced it's acquired Fortress Trust, a financial institution that provides licensed Web3 financial, regulatory, and technology infrastructure for blockchain innovators. And what makes this deal unique? Well, the acquisition of Fortress Trust, a firm that is a part of the Fortress IO group of companies, comes as the very first of such moves from the payments firm since it snatched a historic partial win against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission back in July when Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that the trading of XRP to retail investors on the secondary marketplaces does not constitute an investment contract. This acquisition is well timed, and it will see Fortress Trust use its growing enterprise crypto business to boost Ripple's growth and expansionary roadmap. As a startup with promises, Ripple Labs was one of the first investors in Fortress Trust, a situation that has further integrated the leadership of both firms. With Fortress Trust making its debut in 2021, Brad Garlinghouse, the chief executive officer of Ripple Labs, acknowledged that since their launch, the Fortress team has built an impressive business with recurring revenue and strong roster of both crypto native and new to crypto customers, and as such positions Ripple to continue to help bootstrap the startup's potential. The financial commitment of the deal remains undisclosed, but from indications, Fortress Trust will also be able to benefit from the robust network that Ripple has built as a dominant player in the remittance ecosystem. Now, listen to this bit right here. Just like the saying, fortune favors the bold, Ripple is now benefiting from its decision to fight the SEC's regulation by enforcement tactics. With the odds now appearing to be in its favor, Ripple has started expanding its ecosystem with recent acquisitions spanning institutional custody service provider Medico. The company is also growing its partnership with both mainstream payment service providers like Swift and Westpac, as well as with countries such as the Republic of Palau and Bhutan. With its current tempo, Ripple is on track to become the true behemoth of Web3 and blockchain-based fintech world. Guys, this is a major deal. Now, I want to show you something that I think is absolutely amazing. Most people are not going to know this. And Kevin, I'm telling you what, I'm giving you a shout out because you pointed me in this direction. And right here, guys, look at this. I Trust Capital and Fortress Trust. Well, what happened is iTrust Capital went out there last May and brokered a deal with Fortress Trust as its institutional custody provider. Now, most of us know in this space that iTrust Capital is a cryptocurrency IRA and Roth IRA institutional, where we can go and invest like that and put our crypto in there. Well, Fortress Trust is the institutional custody provider that they chose. And guys, just take a listen to this. Compliance and regulatory infrastructure. Nevada Trust regulated and supervised by the Nevada Banking Commission. Fortress Trust is a qualified custodian under the SEC. Compliance program is designed by former banking commissioners and financial crimes experts, leveraging technology to create scalable processes for compliance, reporting, and risk mitigation. Guys, this is a big acquisition for Ripple to make, and it absolutely is supporting XRP. And for those of us that are investing in it right through our IRAs and being able to custody it in an institutional way. Now, guys, what is one of the other acquisitions that Ripple made just in the last year? Because there's only been two, and this one was the second one. Well, Ripple acquires crypto custody startup Medico for $250 million. And when did they do that, guys? Back in May of 2023. And listen to this. Ripple has announced back then that it has acquired Metco, a cryptocurrency custody company based in Switzerland, for $250 million in cash and Ripple equity. With this move, Ripple will expand its offerings as it will now be able to custody and issue and settle any type of tokenized assets. Guys, this is big. Why? Ripple is out there making these strategic acquisitions. Well, what are the kind of strategic acquisitions are they making? Well, guys, Metco, crypto custody, institutional grade custody. Fortress Trust, institutional grade custody. Guys, I am telling you, they see the handwriting on the proverbial wall. They know what's coming, guys. They know regulatory clarity is on its way. They're going to see big institutional adoption coming into this space, and they're getting ready because, guys, when these big players come in, they are going to need institutional grade custody. And think about that on a grand scale. What does that mean for you and I? Well, guys, when you see Ripple out there making these hundreds of millions of dollars of acquisition in preparation, I'll tell you what it tells me about you and I, guys, is that we are going to see regulatory clarity come into this space. And you are going to watch some major players like pension and hedge funds and things like that who are literally chomping at the bit to get in here and get on the ground level of this space. And to me, guys, that tells me our assets and the value of them are going to start marching up in a powerful way and literally take us right into the stratosphere because the demand is going to go absolutely nuts. That is my personal opinion. When you get that regulatory clarity and you're watching institutional players taking massive gobbling bites out of these ecosystems, I'm telling you what, we are going to see a big time result. And in fact, guys, hey, for those of us that got in as early as we did, it's my belief that we are going to see the greatest level of appreciation. The ones that come in after that institutional custody, that institutional adoption comes in, well, hey, the risk is going to come down and they're not going to see the kind of gains like what we're seeing. Now, guys, something else that I want to show you is this right here. Now, prominent analysts suggest it's time to buy XRP amid, guys, boring price action. Now, this just came out, and guys, this is coming out of CoinsKid. Now, I think CoinsKid is an absolutely amazing TA guy. He has absolutely nailed it on a number of times, and I'll tell you what, this is one I follow. Now, a popular pseudonymous cryptocurrency analyst known as CoinsKid recently took to X, formerly known as Twitter, to suggest that the current unexciting market behavior of XRP presents an optimal buying opportunity. At the time of writing, XRP is trading around 50.2 cents, up 0.19% and 0.75% in the past 24-hour and 7-day periods, respectively. CoinsKid backed his assertion by sharing a Google Trends chart that shows a decline in investor interest in XRP. According to the analyst, this low-level interest is reminiscent of previous periods when the asset was boring, and he advises market participants to buy XRP when it's boring and sell when it's not. Well, guys, I'll tell you what. A lot of people back there in 2017, before XRP literally saw its absolute moon dance, it was just tinkering along, just going like this. And a lot of people did get tired, and they literally got absolutely bored of actually mostly nominal price action. And then one day, bam, that thing shot off like a rocket ship, and it just went boom. And it literally went from about 17 to 20 cents all the way to $3.84. And guys, it happened that fast. Happened within 3 weeks. It was truly phenomenal. Now, this perspective aligns with his previous analysis from late July 2023, where he discussed XRP's strong performance through the lens of Elliott wave theory. According to this theory, markets move in a series of 5 waves in the direction of the main trend, followed by 3 corrective waves. CoinsKid pointed out that XRP had completed such a 5-wave move, reaching his target of 82 cents. And guys, it went beyond that, didn't it? It went up to 93 cents. Drawing on XRP's historical performance, particularly in 2020, CoinsKid suggested that a similar pattern could be unfolding. He anticipated an ABC correction for XRP, advising investors to buy during these corrections rather than during significant upswings. He termed this strategy as buying the blood, emphasizing that these pullbacks offer opportunities to buy at lower prices before the next upward move. In terms of future prospects, CoinsKid indicated that the next wave for XRP could be a wave 3, typically the most potent wave in an Elliott wave sequence. He also mentioned specific price targets, stating that if XRP could break its previous highs, it might reach up to $6 by the end of the year, by the end of December, guys. However, he cautioned that market movements are highly dependent on various factors, including the performance of other markets like the DXY. Guys, we are seeing something absolutely amazing in this ecosystem. And here you got Ripple planning a big time bash, inviting people from all corners of the earth to come and join them in New York City on September 29th. And by the way, guys, they opened up the registrations again today. I don't know if they're full yet, but if not, and you plan on attending, you might want to get your name in there quick, because they're only accepting 2,200 guests. And guys, Ripple's footing the whole bill. They're footing the whole bill for the facility. They're footing the whole bill for all the entertainment, the food, and the whole bit. Guys, I'm telling you what, no company is going to go out there and invite the wide world to a victory party that is celebrating a win over the SEC in the declaration that XRP in the secondary market is not a security if they have any kind of feeling whatsoever that this thing is just going to get overturned in a week or two under an interlocutory appeal. Guys, something is afoot. We don't know exactly what it is, but I'll tell you what, David Schwartz has been dropping some hints and people are getting extremely excited. What could happen next, guys? Who knows? But I'll tell you what, the things that are going on in this ecosystem that we do know should be enough to absolutely bolster your confidence. I'll tell you what, for me and Judy, we have got our ticket, boy. We are just ready to get on that rocket ship and ride it all the way into the outer atmosphere and beyond. Guys, one thing I can tell you is you are going to thank yourself for getting your plan in place before this next bull run absolutely takes off. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.